Welcome to the step-by-step guide on how to set up your iPad. There are two prerequisites for this tutorial. First, you need access to Wi-Fi. Second, you need an Apple ID. If you don't already have an Apple ID, go to the website appleid.apple.com, click Create an Apple ID, and complete the registration form. Once you have Wi-Fi access and an Apple ID, you may continue with the rest of this tutorial. To turn the iPad on, hold down the power button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. When the greetings appear, slide to the right. Tap on English. To select your country, scroll to the bottom and tap on United States. Tap on your Wi-Fi network. Tap on Enable Location Services. Tap Set Up as New iPad. Tap Sign In with your Apple ID. Type your Apple ID and password. And tap Next. Tap to agree to the terms and conditions. Tap Agree to confirm. Tap Use iCloud. Tap Next. Type a passcode. Tap Use Code. Retype your passcode. On the iCloud keychain screen, tap Set Up Later. Tap Use Siri. Tap to automatically send diagnostics. Tap Share with app developers. Tap Get Started, and you are taken to the iPad home screen.